Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Let's learn a concept today.
Hi, I am Sudhamaya Sahu and I am working on web technologies, microservices and web services. This concept is guided by Mr. Praveen Kumar.
I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos.
Microservice is an architectural style that develops a single application as a set of small services. Imagine a situation if I will distribute chocolates among 10,000 children from a single bucket. Then this work makes me too much inefficient and irritating. To do this work more efficiently, I can convert the big chocolate full bucket to many small bags full of chocolates. As like this real life example, we can convert our big monolithic project to various different modules, and we will make some communication between these modules using the concept called as microservice. Various companies like Amazon, Netflix and many more are using this technique to work more efficiently.
Hope you learned the concept in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.